Kiddo Fox.
Sleepy bear, it's time to close your eyes. The moon is shining softly up in the starry skies. The wind is singing gently, the night has come to stay. Let's dream of happy moments and drift so far away. Little birds are resting, the flowers close up tight. The river hums a whisper beneath the silver light. The fireflies are glowing, they twinkle all around. It's time to snuggle warmly and hear that dreamy sound. Sleepy bear, your friends all say goodnight. The owl sings in the forest, a lullaby so light. The clouds are floating slowly, the stars begin to dance. Let's dream of sweet adventure in lands of wonder chance. Sleepy bear, now rest your little head. The forest wraps around you, your cozy, comfy bed. We'll see you in the morning with sunshine warm and bright. Good night, dear little bear, good night. Sleep tight.